everyone, welcome back to RapidDirect channel. I'm Carol. Today I'm here in our sheet metal fabrication workshop, and right behind me is our sheet metal bending machine. Sheet metal bending is all about applying force to reshape metal into precise angles. Just think V-shapes, U-channels, or custom geometries. In this video, we will break down how it works and review the limits of what we can bend. First, let's get to know the machine a bit better. Every press brake uses a punch and a die. The metal is pressed between them to form the bend. At RapidDirect, we maintain a full tooling libraries with punches and dies in various sizes and types. The dies V-opening is critical. It's selected based on material thickness to ensure clean and accurate bends. Now, speaking of capability, what can we actually bend here at RapidDirect? We work with all the common metals like steel, aluminum, and copper. And we can even bend some acrylic sheets depending on the specs. As for thickness, the maximum we can bend is 20 mm, but that also depends on the size of the flat part. The longer and wider the sheet, the more we need to account for machine force and tooling. The maximum bending flat size we can do is 3000 mm by 3000 mm. On the thinner side, we can bend sheets as thin as 0.1 mm, and the smallest bending flat size we can manage is 10 mm by 10 mm. If the sheet is even thinner, we can achieve a smaller bend size like 5 mm by 5 mm with custom bending tooling. Bending is one of the most important steps in sheet metal fabrication. With the help of these machines, we are able to transform flat sheets into all sorts of functional and custom shapes. If you are working on a sheet metal project and wondering how we can help, feel free to contact us. At RapidDirect, we offer one-stop solutions and expert support for your project. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more insights from the RapidDirect crew. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!